Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to save state of traps in first-person shooter kit. And few people already asked me about it, so just to clarify, I made a short tutorial how to do it. I've already made it here on just this empty level, so I'll show you how it works. And then I'll do it again for you for your level. Okay, so I have a trap with some QTE, some pommel. I will disable the trap with this pommel, with this QTE. Great. I get a lock that there's no save game object for progress, and I disabled the trap, so the game has been saved. Okay, so I'm finishing the game, and then I'm reloading this level. So create new one, don't save, load this level again, don't save. And then now the trap should be disabled on the start because the progress is supposed to be loaded. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, the trap has been disabled and you can freely go through it. So the state of the game has been saved. Okay, so how I've made it? It's very simple. Basically, I've done it in level blueprint by loading the game the player's progress, and based on some variables, and I detect the trap, or you can do whatever you want based on that. So basically, to do it, I'll do it on another level. So I create new level and save this one, and that'll be. There we go. And I'll place some trap here. Trap wall. That was the trap wall. Okay, there we go. I'll add some text. Fix render just to clarify which level it is. Oh, okay. Okay, that'll be level 2. And word size much bigger. Okay, that'll be. Oh, it's not really visible. Okay, so I'll place it on on the ground. Okay, so we have this trap. Oh, zip fighting. Okay, so I have this trap. Okay, and what else we need? I will select this guy, this trap, open level blueprint. There you go. And actually, before we do that, we need to open S player progress track structure, and I'll add a new variable which will tell tell the game that about the state of the game, basically. So as you can see, I already have trap active. So I'll make another one, trap active active 02. 02. Okay, and that will be enabled by default because when the game starts, it's supposed to be enabled, right? And save. And then open BP Blueprint functions and just for the sake of it, recompile and save. It's not necessary, but it's good to do it. Oh, takes a while. Okay, save, and then open BP player progress save, and which is the save game object where you have default progress track and progress track, and there's default default values. So make sure it's both set. The trap active is set to true. And what else we get? I guess this is it. Okay, I guess this is it. We might let's make sure we save everything. Just other filter modified. Yeah, because we added new parameter, like new variable to extract. So basically, we need to resave everything which is related to this track. Okay, let's play the game. Okay, let's see. Okay, the trap is active, of course. And what we need to do, we need to open level blueprint on begin play. I guess what we need to do, add a sequence first and load progress. Load progress, player progress. There's something like no save progress object. So if there is no save progress object, which is no save file, which means there's no save file, I will print string no save game file saving. So what we need to create a new one by save progress. So save player progress, and basically that's it, I guess. Yeah, and we need to say basically it will allow save by default, but you can change it however you want. You can for this particular level where there's no save game, you can change whatever you need. I will just so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so what we need to do, you need to break this guy, and we need to take the trap active too and create a branch, which will tell us if it's active or not. Okay, so I will hide the pins because that's only what we need now. You can of course add as much as you want to this. Okay, trap active, which is I will add print string loading game trap active, and for if it's not active, trap is not active. Okay, and what we need to do, we have selected, no, we don't have it selected. So let's select this guy. And let's go back to level blueprint. Okay, basically, let's create a reference to it. Oh man, I don't remember what we supposed. There should be something like button push successful event. Yeah, so which will simulate that the button has been pushed, so it will disable. But we also want to get the child, get the panel actor, yeah, get the button panel to disable the button panel on level start. So basically get get child actor, and then cast to BP panel, yeah, and there you go. Set to can be used to false because it shouldn't be used anymore, right? So basically that's it. Yeah, and we need to know when to save it. So what I'll do, I will create a preference to this electric trap wall assign. There should be something like assign button pushed. So when I will finish the when I'll finish the quick time event, the trap will be disabled, I will save the game. So save game, save progress. Okay, print string. Okay. Trap disabled. Saving game. Okay, what we need to do is we need to tell this save progress function that what we want to save. We actually want to save only if the trap act 2 is active, right? So I will like hide everything. Okay, so the trap will be no more active, right? So I'm setting it to false. And I guess it should work. Hopefully, save the game. Oh yeah, I need to save the level, of course. So I will save last test tool save game level 02. Okay, save game. Awesome. Okay, there we go. Hopefully that will be it. Okay, what we need to do now is make sure that in your project folder in saved games there is no player progress save file, because we need to like reset everything and players won't have it, of course. That's from the previous play. So it should be saved anyway, but for the sake of it, I'm just gonna make sure everything's will be alright and fresh. Okay, I guess that's it. Play the game. Okay, so we have level 2. I will disable this trap. Okay, let's see the logs. No save game file. Saving saving trap disabled. Saving game. Okay, so in theory it should work, and so I will like reload this empty level and open level, open test test save game level 2. And let's see, in theory, it should, when I hit play, the trap should be disabled. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's disabled because loading game trap is not active. So the state of the trap has been, loaded. So it has been disabled by on the start, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can save the state of the traps, for example, in third-person Sugar Kit. So thank you and good luck.